Are you looking for the best car LED headlight? In this video we will look at some of the best car LED headlight on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. NLpearl 2X Car LED Headlights. NLpearl 2X Car LED Headlights offer an advanced and powerful lighting solution for automobiles, enhancing both visibility and aesthetics. These LED headlights are available in various models, including H4, H7, H1, H8, H11, H9, HB3, 9005, HB4, 9006, and H2, 9012, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of car models. Featuring a high-performance design, these LED bulbs are built to provide superior illumination compared to traditional halogen headlights, with a power output of 50 watts and an impressive luminous flux of 1200 lm. NLpearl LED headlights emit a bright and focused light beam, significantly improving nighttime visibility and road safety. The color temperature options of 6500K and 8000K offer drivers the flexibility to choose between a neutral white light or a slightly bluish tone, catering to personal preferences and driving conditions. The cooler color temperatures can provide better contrast and visibility in various weather conditions, making driving safer during inclement weather or on poorly lit roads. Number 2. NOVSIGHT Car LED Headlight. The NOVSIGHT Car LED Headlight is a cutting-edge automotive lighting solution designed to enhance visibility and safety while driving, with a focus on providing powerful illumination and energy efficiency. These LED headlights offer a significant upgrade over traditional halogen bulbs. The NOVSIGHT Car LED Headlight is available in various bulb types, including H4 high, low beam, H7, H1, H3, H8, H9, H11, H13, 9005, 9006, and 9007, catering to a wide range of vehicle models and configurations. This versatility makes it easier for car owners to find the right fit for their vehicles. The headlights are capable of emitting up to 10,000 lumens of bright white light, significantly improving nighttime visibility. This high luminosity ensures better road coverage and a safer driving experience. The 6500K color temperature closely resembles natural daylight, which helps reduce eye strain and enhances overall visibility during various weather conditions. Number 3. F5 110 watts Powerful Car LED Headlight. The F5 110 watts Powerful Car LED Headlight is a high-performance automotive lighting solution designed to significantly enhance visibility and safety during nighttime driving. This headlight is engineered to replace traditional halogen bulbs with advanced LED technology, offering increased luminosity and improved lighting coverage on the road. The product is available in various bulb types such as H7, H4, H1, H8, H11, 9005, HB3, 9006, HB4, 9012, H13, and 9007, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of car models. With an impressive power output of 110 watts, the F5 LED headlight emits a bright and focused beam, which can illuminate the road ahead more effectively than standard halogen bulbs. The light intensity is further bolstered by a high luminous flux of 20,000 lm lumens, resulting in better visibility and reduced strain on the driver's eyes during night drives. One of the notable features of the F5 LED headlight is its CAN bus compatibility. The CAN bus technology ensures that the LED bulbs work seamlessly with the car's electronic system, preventing issues such as flickering or error messages on the dashboard. This compatibility makes the installation process smoother and hassle-free. Number 4. NOVSIGHT 1039 Car LED Headlight. The NOVSIGHT 1039 Car LED Headlight is a high-quality automotive lighting solution designed to enhance visibility and safety on the road. Engineered to provide powerful illumination, the NOVSIGHT 1039 LED headlight offers a range of compatibility with various car models, including H7, H4, H1, H3, H11, 9005, 9006, and 9012. With a color temperature of 6000 K, the Nofside N39 LED headlight produces a clean and crisp white light that closely resembles natural daylight. This color temperature not only helps reduce eye strain during night driving but also provides better contrast and visibility, making road signs, obstacles, and other vehicles more distinct. The headlight boasts an impressive lumen output of 1000 lm, providing intense brightness to illuminate even the darkest roads effectively. Its 72 watts power rating ensures consistent and reliable performance, while the 12 volts input makes it compatible with standard car electrical systems. Number 5. DAWNKNIGHT K5C Car LED Headlight. DAWNKNIGHT K5C Car LED Headlight is an advanced automotive lighting solution designed to provide improved visibility and a stylish look to your vehicle. This particular headlight model, the K5C, is specifically designed to cater to various car models and headlight bulb types, such as H7, H4, H1, H11, HB3, 9005, and HB4, 9006. One of the standout features of the K5C headlight is its high luminous efficacy, with a rating of 4300 K, which indicates a color temperature that closely resembles natural daylight. This temperature is often chosen to provide a balanced blend of visibility and aesthetics, ensuring that drivers can see the road clearly while also experiencing reduced strain on their eyes during nighttime driving. The K5C headlight boasts a power output of 110 watts, signifying its strong illumination capabilities. This increased wattage contributes to enhanced brightness and coverage, allowing drivers to have a clearer view of the road ahead and potential obstacles. The utilization of double copper tubes in the construction of these LED lamps helps in efficiently dissipating heat generated during operation, thereby ensuring a longer lifespan for the headlight bulbs.